Hello everyone, this is Kathleen and I'm going to show you how to do my little collaged page edge thingy. Leslie asked if I would show how to do that along with the little faux coin envelope journaling paper, which I will do in another video, but I have wanted to get this journal finished before I left on vacation, and I did. It's done. Yeah, here's the spine, and here's the front. Here's the little beaded closure. Yeah, so I think it's turned out really well. And the spine is working great. So I just have this one last thing to do. I have this little element here on this side, and then this is some patterns going on here. So I thought it might be nice actually to have the little collage raggedy thing on the edge over here. So I'm going to put it on this side. So this is the way I do it. It's pretty simple. And again, I've got the light. You know, the light didn't turn out to be that bad when I saw the video actually posted. It's raining again today, and so I have all the lights on, and it looks on the camera, it doesn't look very attractive. So I apologize if it doesn't, but hopefully it won't look bad. Like the other one, it wasn't as bad as I thought. So I'm just going to put some distress on these initial little pieces. So what I do when I make this, it's just kind of ragged and trashy looking, but I kind of like it. It's an alternative. You know, I have on several pages, I have lace, you know, and that's a way to finish the edge. I've got a fabric ruffle on this page. So lace and fabric, that's good, but you can also use these little bits of paper. So just the tiniest pieces, and so there's a little bit. Here's a little piece of Edith Holden. So I'm gonna just tear that up, and we'll use that. And I've just kind of pulled some other things that are, you know, kind of that color. This is just some gold that I used in the Paris journal, and I sanded some of it just to take the shine down. So I think I will do that here. The nice thing about some of these papers is it's double-sided. Yeah, so it will look nice on this side, but then the edge will also look nice. So there's that. Here's a little bit of Tim Holtz paper. So I just take the pieces down to about an inch, and then once I start, you know, I may want to make it even a little smaller, but we'll just start out with about an inch, 3/4 of an inch to an inch. Just pieces, random pieces. Here's a little bit of ledger with, you know, the 31 on it, which is nice. So I think I will save that. And here's another little piece of that. Here's a little map piece. And that's also double-sided, which is good. And then this is just the photo from a book, an illustration. But I thought these colors were kind of cool. So I'm going to use a couple pieces of that. Again, it's double-sided. There's not a lot of blue in here. In this book, it's just mostly green, which is my favorite color. It's very green, and that's okay with me. I'm not sure how anybody else will like that, but I think it's pretty. All right, so now I have just this little pile of little pieces, and that's what I need. So the next thing is you can do it one of two ways. So you can begin at the top and then, you know, just layer it down like fish scales, or you can start in the middle and go up on either side. And I think that's what I'm going to do. The other thing I like to do is I choose one of my scraps, and you don't have to do this. It just makes it kind of easier for me to get started. I choose one pattern and repeat it so that it looks like, you know, there is some thought behind it. And so I'm going to use this green pattern for that. And then I just begin. I just take one of the pieces, and this one is going to be a little too big, so we'll take that down. And then I want it to poke out a little bit as if it was like lace. So I'm just going to put glue on the side like this. Now let's see how far I want it to stick out. Yeah, so not too far. And then you just start layering up. Stick this one under that one, and then once in a while, you know, you kind of come on the other side and see how it looks, and rub off any glue that gets, you know, hangs over too far. I think we'll put that up there at the top. That looks good. And let's put a little bit of gold. Yeah. No, I actually need another little green piece there. So let me put this one up there. Well, maybe we can do both. And I think let's take a little piece of this one and put at the very top. Whoops, dang. I'll have to rub that off. You remember that I have discovered that Fabri-Tac dries clear, but it dries shiny. And yeah, so all right, I think we'll do, oh, let's do this blue piece right here. That'll be good. I think we'll slide it under. Okay, and this one, I like this side up. So that's all there is to it, really. Just kind of put these, let me make a ripped edge here. You just kind of arrange it, sort of. Oops. Just kind of in a raggedy line down the edge of the page. Overlap and that kind of thing. I'm going to put just a little over the edge down here at the bottom. Not much though, because I don't want it to interfere, you know, with the book as it stands. Okay, now I need a third piece of green because, you know, green, or well, green is magical too, but 3 is the magic number. Stick that in under there. I think we're going to need to do another one. And I think, let's see, we can do a piece of this map. Oh no, here's another little Edith Holden. That's what I want. That's what I want. Right there. I am running out of glue. It's a good thing I'm going on vacation. I'll pick up some glue while I'm gone. Pull that up, stick that under there. There we go. All right, there. Now, so that's that raggedy edge. And, you know, I can finish it with some washi tape down the middle. I think maybe that's what I'll do. I mean, in my other book, I didn't do anything like that. You could put a piece of lace. You could put, you know, you could sew it if you did it before it was bound in. That's kind of pretty, but it's too wide. I think I will use this one. I can find the end. Okay. Get up on my tiptoes and hope that's straight. Is it straight? Not bad. Okay, there we go. That kind of finishes that page and makes it just kind of cute. And then, oh, here, I need to rip this off down here. And nope, the top is good. All right, let's see. Yep, I like it. All right, there you go, Leslie. Then on this side, it also, oh, it's got a hole right there. I need a little something there. It's the same. We could, nope, that's the same too. We could put a little blue. Just a little piece. That, where's my glue? Here it is. That would slide under. Come on, here we go. Okay. Just slide it under there. There we go. Good. There. Now that looks good on this side too. Okay, there. See? All right. That's it. Hey, thanks for being with me, Leslie. I hope that's helpful to you. And I'll come back from vacation and do a flip through. So see you later.